everyone, welcome to MCBOSS Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Thursday, January 22nd, 2026, 8:52 a.m. Mountain Time, close to 11 a.m. Eastern Time. The market is up once again. Yesterday we had a day, nice strong day by the end of the day, after Trump kind of mentioned that they have come up with some sort of a framework for the Greenland issue, and that also means that he won't be increasing their tariff and so forth for those eight countries that are dealing with Greenland. So that's good news. So we have a strong market. We closed pretty strong yesterday. Today we are continuing that trend, so we are up 0.8% on Nasdaq. Right now Dow is up 0.6, S&P is up 0.5. Nasdaq volume is higher and NYSE volume is higher. So if we look at stocks on the move, we do have lots of volume here. You can see even at the 20th stock is still 120%. Let me just refresh to make sure. Yes, we do. Okay, so that's the good news. Let's go look at the index quickly here. Go to QQQ, Nasdaq 100 ETF here. So we have a nice strong bounce yesterday. After we pierced through the red line, looks like this rebound is looking good so far. Again, right now today we are bouncing back above the red line here. So for that, it's a good sign. So yesterday we bounced in the morning, Thursday, and then we came back down. But later in the day we heard the news from Trump, and then the market took off really sharp. From there today, we gap up again. We test the lows today, and so far we have been bouncing. So far this look very healthy in terms of the bounce back from the lows here. So, and this is Nasdaq, right, which is the weakest index of the major index. So that is a good sign. Let's go to SPY. Same thing here. We're bouncing back above the 10-day short-term moving average. Let's look at the intraday here. Very similar chart. We have a rally spot in the end of day yesterday, and then today we're finding support after the gap up this morning. So that looks good. Dow is similar action here. Looks really good. Again, this one also climbed back above. This one's already almost near new high once again, so that is even better. Then we have IWM. This one continued to make new high. A big area in this that's sparking this is the financials. We'll look at it in a second here. The financials have been really strong. We can look at the KRE ETF here, the regional bank making new highs right now. We can look at KBE, which is a bigger bank index. This one is also making new high. So that's what really propelling the IWM, because there's lots of small banks, small caps that are doing well. So let's jump into that right now. Most of this doesn't show up on the stocks on the move because they're much smaller. I don't know what the criteria is, or maybe the volume is not high enough. I don't know. But either way, I'm going to jump to EGBN, just announced reporting, and look at it, it's jumping 18%. This is a Northeast Bank. Let's look at some of these other ones here. FHN, this is a Southeast Bank. It's coming to breakout right now. Let's go to Key. This is a super regional bank. Again, it's coming out right now as well. So a lot of banks breaking out. That's where the strength is today, and the last day yesterday as well. Lending Club, this one also bouncing out right now. Very nice action. Next we have SFBS, Southeast Bank. Reported very strong action on the bounce here coming out the base. Again, just lots of financial stocks, and this is just a few that are moving really strong here. STNE, this one is trying to come out of this long-term downtrend line. So that's the banks there. Again, the gold is still strong here. AUGO, or they're starting to slope much faster now, so we could have a climax runs on this. That's Aura Mineral. This one is silver. All the silver are bouncing strong today as well. So we can look at gold bullion price here, making new highs. Silver price making new highs. So really strong group continuing the trend. CDE, HL, PAS, SSRM. So just a few of them that are moving really strong today. Surprisingly, on the health side, I'm seeing a lot of stocks moving as well. Like they've been really not, showing strength lately, but today they seem to be moving again. So let's just look at a few of them. Stock. I'm just waiting for this to load. It's a little bit slow today, but as we wait for that, we have PDSG, DXCM, GCOS, Lily is bouncing once again. LQDA is still very strong. PNTG. So this is Bright Spring. It's bouncing right now, so you can see again lately a lot of health stocks just been pulling back, and now it's bouncing today very strong. LQDA. Liquidia, this one is bouncing to new high, very strong action. Let's look at one more. Lily. So the chart slowly, we're loading too slow now. Not sure why all of a sudden. Here's Lily. So this one is also bouncing back from this pullback here. So yeah, so the health is moving again. On the industrial side, we have Cohere, FTAI continuing its strength in the aerospace defense. KNX reporting doing well. KRMN. We have VRT here. On the retail side, we have a couple of bounce here, Cody and CVNA. On the tech side, we have AEIS, AMD. AMD has been showing lots of strength this last few. Again, my chart is not loading, so I'm just going through the symbol. ANET is bouncing really strong. Not sure if there's news. Billy, the Chinese stock, is still doing well. Google bouncing light. MU, I haven't checked that one yet. Rambus still going. Yesterday had a strong day. TSM also bouncing. So this is advanced micro device, like bouncing to new high recently. So yeah, like I said, the market is very picky in some areas, like in terms of specific stocks, but the stocks are still moving. I think on my growth stock list yesterday, there's still about 50% moving in an uptrend. So it's just a matter of finding the stocks and following that trend, and yeah, they're still moving. So the market, especially this last 2-day bounce, including today, is quite strong. So thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye now.